Good day, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. Let's go straight to our daily. Oh, it's not daily analysis, it's weekly. Let's go straight to our weekly analysis. And yeah, you know what? Last week we had some crazy, like, core CPI news where actually things were seriously bad. We saw the market pushing up very aggressively. Later on, the market started to push lower. Then surprisingly, the market tried to push up again, and then what's really happening? Then, because things were bad, actually, inflation seems to be going up. Actually, last month, inflation was still going up. So, and obviously, that will make the dollar very strong. Not in a good way, by the way. That's why we saw NASDAQ, all things which are going against the dollar, they were just losing. So, but it was surprising because the market did recover very quick. Remember, it was Thursday. The market recovered very quickly. Then later on Friday, things started to move slow. Then later on, the market was going down. I hope maybe you can see on my right hand side there. The market closed on negative 2.9. We can just say it's negative 3 actually. So which means, yeah, I think the market will be selling for this coming weeks, because that means Fed, they don't really have any choice but just to aggressively increase the interest rates. Please don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. And for those who want the robot, guys, it's still $150. Prime EA, it's available. It's complete. So yeah, it's good time for us to do what? To eat. So without wasting your time, let's do the analysis very quick. So what do we see here? This is 4 hours time frame on Bitcoin. I like what I see on Bitcoin because we've been on this stage for quite some time. And what I like here is it shows that, yes, our downtrend strategy is working. Guys, for those who want to join the team, $250 is lifetime, $150 is 12 months, $80 is 6 month signals. So if you want that, please talk to me. If you want to be part of the team, if you want to receive the signals, let me know. So yeah, what we see here is the market is actually doing what? Is downtrending, and currently we have an area where we can call it a support. So it seems like the market is respecting that area. So the question was, or I think on Thursday, I thought maybe the market was going to make a breakout, maybe to the upside or maybe to the downside. But guess what? Bitcoin was solid enough not to do anything stupid. The market did not actually create any volatility. I was surprised and say, okay, this thing is holding very tight here, which gives me confidence that maybe the market will be breaking this resistance and pushing to the upside. That is possible. But currently, we're just sitting on this wedge. The market is still consolidating. We're just waiting for a breakout. We can't take any buy or sell. We're just waiting for that to happen. Any breakout will give us a nice direction. Now, or currently, we are on German. I'm trying to be fast so that we can make these videos very short so that you can watch and do something else. So, or maybe you can able to watch the whole video. So what's really happening on DAX, German 30? Is that we are on a downtrend, and if we are on a downtrend, we're expecting the market to do what? To push lower and lower, right? So we can even go closer there and try to see what's really happening. Remember, this is 4 hours time frame. We are on our weekly analysis. So we saw the market breaking this area. We had this counter trend line, which was showing that, you know what, I'm still going down aggressively, but we saw a breakout. We thought maybe, okay, maybe the market will push up, but the market created something. When I say, please don't look much at your left side, because sometimes you'll get confused. I'm talking about something like this, where you can see that the market actually created something. The second time you can see that, no, that is obvious because we are on a 4 hour time frame. But if we start to draw that, you can see for the third time, the market came around that area. You don't really have to look like 5 weeks back, no? You can look what happened yesterday or day before yesterday. You will still get those structures. So on the bottom side here, we can also see that there is a zone there. So now it's like the market will be maybe creating this sort of a ranging or consolidating market. But what I know is we are still on a downtrend. So which means once the market comes around this area, we will be doing what? Thinking about selling, or maybe the market will be breaking this support and we will continue with the sell. I hope you understand. So if you don't understand, you will just let me know. But if you don't understand, maybe you just want to be part of the team where I can teach you this. 12 months is $150. Lifetime it's $250 plus you get the robot. Any update that will happen for the robot, you'll still going to get it. So I repeat, the robot actually it's optimized for NASDAQ currently. This we will be trying to test other things and see how it performs on those things. So remember, the robot is still very, very, very new. So $150, yes, it's like unlimited time. It's not like 6 months or 12 months. It's like unlimited time. So now we are on gold. What's really happening is the market, yes, is still on that downtrend, which means the market is actually doing what? The market is actually going down. That's why we will have to look for what? For sell positions. It means when we want sell positions, we have to look where the market is rejecting, where the market will create those rejections. Somewhere here. Here we see the market can reject. Even here, the market can reject here, push up, then we can get another sell there. Or maybe the market will break, we'll get another sell there. So we have to have this plan where we have to have options. Now, currently, we did have a very nice sell. I don't know if you see that. We did have a very nice sell. Do you see that? It's just that this thing's 4 hours time frame, and that was just actually a hit and run, and we smashed that. So what's really happening here is, since this is an area which I can call it a support currently, so maybe the market will be pushing up again around this area. I will be expecting to do what? To sell again, or maybe we might see the market break in this area. Below this support, we can also take another sell because we are on a downtrend, and on a downtrend, we look for sell positions because downtrend or uptrend or the trends, actually, they are our friends. Trend is my friend, trend is your friend if you follow trends lines, right? Or if you follow trends. It makes our job very easy. Now we are on US oil. Very nice downtrend there. Very nice downtrend. Please don't forget to smash that subscribe button. So what's really happening is, yes, the market is still continuing very nice on that downtrend. I don't think maybe you don't see this. Everyone can see this. So what's really happening is, yes, the market is continuing on that downtrend. And we want that because you want prices to go lower. So what's really happening is the market created some very nice structures there. Then we need to zoom. Let's zoom there and see what's really happening. I think you can see this. The market created something very nice. The market was pushing up, nice, and the market created something like a support area. Then after that, after the breakout, the market started to create this type of a structure. We can call that sort of a ranging move, where maybe the market can move like this before breaking lower. So, but currently it seems like we actually did smash this one very nice. We did not miss, even if we were not on live session, but we did not miss this because we sent the signal in the group. The trade was here, take profit was here. You can see that was met. So, but currently what I'm looking at here is whether the market is going to break our support, or maybe the market wants to go back again. If it breaks here, I'll be expecting to sell below this area, or if maybe it pushes up again, I'll be expecting to sell if it pushes lower. Why do I look for sell positions only? Because we are on a downtrend, and 90% of the time the market will be pushing lower. I hope you understand that. I hope you understand that. So let's push to the next one, which is US30. Smash this one also. What's really happening on US30? Still on a downtrend. Still on a downtrend. The market, yes, on Thursday surprised us. So let me just show you. We are on a downtrend, which I've been explaining for quite some time now. So what's really happening is we also have a very nice structure. You can see that we can say the market is actually consolidated. So what's really happening is the market actually did not actually go crazy on Thursday on CPI. The market was here, then the market pushed up. Firstly, the market was going down. Then later on, the market tried to recover. That was amazing or surprising because we were expecting the market to keep pushing lower. Guess what? On Friday, the market started to do that. And I think that might start to continue pushing to the lower side. But I think now the market is actually oversold. And that might... sorry, guys, I was talking to the kids. They're making noise, so it's fine. It's fine. So let's continue. So what's really happening here is on Friday, yes, the market was actually starting to give us this a sell. But before it was surprising because I thought maybe the market was going to give us a very nice sell after we saw the market that was actually on a bad side, especially when inflation is still pushing up. We thought maybe it's gonna sell. Yeah, that moved in a different direction. And I was trading NASDAQ, by the way. I also took some losses there. So what's really happening here is it's fine. We have to look for new stuff. And we also smashed this US30. You can see this entry here. You can see that there. So what's really happening is, yes, the market is actually on the resistance. And remember, since we are on a downtrend, it's where we want the market to be because we can have a very nice sell. We took that and we were in a very nice profit. That, remember, that is a 4-hour time frame. So we expecting the market maybe to reach this area 29,000 around there, but we maybe see the market break in this area. But one step at a time, we're gonna wait for the market because everyone knows now that next month they have to increase the rates, interest rates. So I hope you see that. I hope you see that. Sorry. So now what's really happening? We are on NASDAQ. What's really happening on NASDAQ? Very surprisingly, the market actually showed us flames. If you still remember, we had something around this area. We had something there. And guess what? Before the news, the market actually pushed up. Before the news, the market tried to push up. Guess what? Then the market sold. You can see this candlestick there. Then after that, the market started to do what? To push to the upside. Yeah, that sometimes happens. That actually happens. So what's really happening here is, it seems like the market is going back. You can see I also sent a sell pending order. It seems like the market is going back again. Let me remove this. It seems like the market is going back again. I don't really know much about why this recovery, because now the market is going back again, or maybe people, they did not actually digest that much. I don't know. But the market is starting to sell off very aggressively. We smashed this on Friday, by the way, and also the robots did some very great job. So what's really happening is, yes, the bigger picture still tells us that, you know what, we are still on downtrend, and things the market is still actually under pressure, especially when we understand that they're still going to increase the interest rate. So I'm expecting a sell, but around this area, around 10,450, around there, maybe it's where we can find actually the support. You see this previous there, that previous low there, the market might come back again around that area and give us something. The market can come here and maybe bounce back again. That is possible. Or maybe the market can even break. But mostly when we see moves like this, the market will come around that area and try to push the upside, maybe before we see any significant breakout. But for now, I think the market is oversold. I don't think maybe the market will be trying to push lower aggressively. So yeah, please guys, if you want to be part of the team, or if you want the robot, just know that Prime EA, it's $150. You can start trading from even $100 or even $50, but I encourage people to start with a bigger amount, maybe from 100 to going up, so that you can actually realize a very nice profit. So thank you very much, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. If you want the signals, it's 150 12 months, 250 lifetime plus the robot. So thank you very much. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. I hope you're gonna enjoy your weekend. Thank you very much. Bye.